I can't really test out live stream for the reasons of I can never get it to work on my phone like a GoPro. And that would tell me about exposure issues if it does the breathing in the sun. Well, people are saying if you face the sun to the camera, then you're gonna have exposure issues in and out. Well, I basically did a manual of shutter speed, and I had so many different types of settings, and my video was locked on. But I also got my sensor in the O blocked with a piece of rubber and tape over it so nothing can cause it to expose in and out, I say. But I got firmware V0104 0701. So here I am in the camera, as close as I can get without being on the lens to be in focus. As I slowly step out of the picture, am I being in and out? I won't be able to tell unless I go back to the editor. Well, I'm going to go down to my favorite spot, but it's high tide, so I may just stay here. But I may go down there just to have some fun to get my shot. But I'll be facing that way. I won't be facing this way. So, is it exposing? Did I resolve my problem? Yeah, I did. Until I get back to the editor. Then I have to put down in the description of failure. Oh, speaking of a beautiful background, look at those clouds. The sky's not blue. It's white with puffy clouds. It should show you definition. I'll tell you what, I have listened to people, and people have been telling people, oh man, the Ace Pro is awesome. It's a great camera. But I'm hearing some people are returning their Ace Pros because they don't love it for their reasons. Well, you may love your Ace Pro 2, and you may love your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro the way it is. Personally, I like the camera. Everything's beautiful in the background. I'm able to see the clouds. I'm able to see over here. I'm able to see my pictures. At least I shared my story to one person that may like it. Well, it puts a smile on my face. But let me go back there, across the bay. Let me know if you see that smile. I'm on a scooter. I'm heading on down. Let's go catch up to that bike. I think I am going to go down. and get closer to the kite surface. We could walk onto the beach, but I don't want to bring the scooter into sand. What I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go up the hill. Let's see if we can do it. Go up the hill. I made it up the hill. I got enough juice to get to where I need to be at. Let's get going. Let's see if I could walk up the beach, fold my scooter down. So I'm walking up the beach. See if we can get some shots of the windsurfers. I got a chair I can sit on. Let's check him out. Oh man, he's up in the air and down. Look at that guy go! Can't capture all the action, can you? Now you can sit here all day and have a camera, put a camera on you, but you're gonna have all those spots. Well, you know, kite surfing, windsurfing. Oh man, he's all the way up there. It's 15 plus feet. You missed it. Another wipeout. This is the guy to watch over there putting on a show. That guy all the way out there's got a hydrofoil. I had my fun for the day. Didn't have to go far off the beaten path to have fun. I got to see some kite surfers on the water. Let's get on out of here. At least it's not windy. Get on going. Well, that's it for today. The ride is over. I am done.